Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your WhatsApp. And here, as you can see, I already blocked this contact. So to delete this, you want to long press on that conversation. And here, you want to click delete chat. So here, messages will only be removed from this device and your device on the newer versions of WhatsApp. So just go ahead and click on continue and click on delete chat. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.